Hello family, you are warmly welcome to GHS. If today is your first time tuning in to this channel and you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe and turn on the bell notification for latest updates. Like, share and leave your comments down below. Yes, your comments are very important to me. If you have any question, kindly drop it under the comment section. I will humbly answer you. Here I teach about herbs. I give you the full details of herbs. That is both the spiritual and the physical use of herbs. But today our topic is about how you can do your own love and attraction perfume. How you can make your own love and attraction perfume with just the use of cat eye seed. That is the common name of this seed that you are seeing on your screen. The English name, the rare English name is rosary pea. That is the rare English name. If you go to Ghana, it is called Obreku Aniwa. That is the Ghanaian name. That is what the Ghanaians call it, Obreku Aniwa. Today I'm here to teach you how you can use this seed to make your own love and attraction perfume. I don't know what you are going through in your relationship or what you are going through in your marriage, but one thing I know is that if your relationship is full of quarrel, if your relationship is full of dispute, it means that there is lack of love in that relationship. Where there is a lot of dispute, it means there is lack of love over there. So today I'm here to teach you how you can do your own love and attraction perfume. If you are a man and you want to be attracted to women, you want women to love you, you want to get more women coming your way, you want to see more women in your life that they want to fall for you, they want you to do something with them, then try to watch this video till the end and just make your own love and attraction perfume. If you are a woman and you are not attracted to men, it looks like men do not love you. You don't get any man of your choice. Maybe they come, but those who come to you, they are not of your choice. You don't like such a man. But if you want to get men that you like, you want to be attracted to men, then try to do this love and attraction perfume with just the use of cat eye seed. In fact, cat eye seed is super powerful as far as herbs are concerned. It works wonders. When it comes to love, cat eye seed is great. In fact, it is king. So today, as I'm here to teach you very simple but mighty remedy to make your own love and attraction perfume, then kindly watch this video till the end. The materials needed for this simple remedy are: you get your cat eye seed, but you only get 7 seeds of cat eye plant, that is cat eye seed. So get 7 cat eye seeds. Let me tell you, this seed is very simple to get. It is easy to get. If you go to any nearby spiritual shop and you ask them for cat eye seed, they will give you. You can even show the picture to them that I want to buy this type of seed, and you show them the picture on your screen. You can screenshot the picture or Google for the picture or look for the picture somewhere else, then you show it to them. Ask them and they will give you the cat eye seed. Then get your own perfume, any perfume of your choice, either spiritual perfume or normal perfume, but make sure you get the type of perfume that you can open the top. I mean, when I talk of the top, I mean the cork, that is the lid of the perfume that you can open. So make sure you get the type of perfume that you can open the top, that is the cover. Yes, so you get your 7 seeds of cat eye, then you get your perfume, that is perfume of your choice, perfume that you like. Now this is how you are going to prepare your own love and attraction perfume. This love and attraction perfume is not something that you can joke with. It is super powerful. After you are done with this love and attraction perfume and you are using it, in fact, the way women will follow you if you are a man, if you are a woman, the way men will follow you. But if you are a man, please don't use it on somebody's wife. Don't try to do something with somebody's wife, and don't try to fornicate because you have the advantage, because women are following you. Don't fornicate because there are a lot of disease out there, so don't fornicate. If you're a woman too, don't fornicate, but make sure you make a good choice out of the numerous men that are coming your way. So you get your, there's a 7 seed of cat eye seed. Let me continue. Get a 7 seed of cat eye seed and get the perfume of your choice. Now this is what you are going to do. Just put it open the perfume and put the cat eye seed one after the other into the perfume. Put them until you are done with the 7 perfume, until all are gone inside of the perfume. Then this is what you are going to do. You just close it, you cover it with its cover. Then keep it somewhere in your room. Keep it at a safe place. Allow it to stay there for 3 days. Keep it at a safe place and allow it to stay there for 3 days. After, before you keep it, please just pray over it, because prayer is the key of everything. In everything you have to pray, because God is the master key. So God is the one who has given us the knowledge, and He is the one who vested the power in that seed that we are using. So in everything, pray to Baba God and ask for your demand, the kind of thing that you want to, the thing that you are doing, or the remedy that you are doing to work for you, how you want it to work for you. So you have to pray accordingly, pray according to your heart desire. Yes, pray over it, then keep it for 3 days. After 3 days, whenever you take your bath, then use the perfume on your body. Use the perfume on your body, and apply small in your palm, then rub it on your face like this. Yes, smear it on your face, then go to wherever you are going and see wonders. Yes, see wonders. It is super powerful. It works like magic. It's no joke. This is real. So try it and see. Try it and come here and give your testimony. Please, I'm done. Go and do it and blink your testimony. If today is your first time watching my video and you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe and turn on the bell notification for latest update. Like, share, and leave your comment down below. Yes, your comment, as I always say, are very important to me, because if I teach and you don't understand it, it means that I am teaching in vain. So if you don't understand anything, even if a pin that you don't understand, tell me that I don't understand this. I will humbly answer you. Thank you once again. See you next time.